finding somewhere to park is time consuming for you and it's bad for the planet. Because if you want to get to your birthday on time and you spend 20 minutes driving around trying to find a parking space, you're going to be annoyed and the world is going to heat up a little bit faster. So to solve that, we built an app which, based on the location of your destination, will use open source data and dashcam data from users within our network to locate empty parking spaces and let you know where they are, so that when you get to wherever it is you need to get to, you know where the nearest parking space is and can park as quickly as possible. What we're working towards is minimum viable product, something that we can mock up. So we've been focusing on the database, the back end, and then also the user interface on the front end. That's 2/3 of our team focusing on that. The remaining third is focusing on the actual data acquisition. So how can we take dashcam data and turn that into insights about where there's parking spaces? And that's a lot of AI ML stuff, lots of OpenCV, computer vision stuff. That's really exciting as well.